found the baby doll. Ooh, now what do we have? What has Daddy got, baby? Ooh, Mila Jean, look.
Hair pieces.
Got some bling.
And feathers, because she loves feathers. Oh, look at you. Oh, sweet girl. It's stuck. Aw, that's sweet. Look at your little snow globe, Mila. She snuck that one out earlier. Ooh, she said that's a cool toy. Tony did.
Cool.
Grandma Bobby. Did you open up the card?
This card?
The one that came out of the pink bag? It's the yellow one.
Who is so very cute and turning 1 today?
I think her name
Of course.
is Mila Jean.
You. Have fun. Love ya, Grandma Bob.
Yay! Do you want to see your card? She's like, there's so much stuff people are giving to me right now.
She can open it up too.
Mm-hmm.
She was working on it. Just overwhelmed.
Birthday girl. Nobody does cute quite like you. Hope you have a happy day with lots of love on your first birthday, Grandma and Granddad. Okay.
Oh, she got her flowers.
For you, great granddaughter, surprise. Your name's not surprise. This must be the wrong person. The love that's tucked inside this card, and all the wishes
Oh,
to
she grabbed
for a
money.
very special girl.
I
That,
got
of
the
course,
money.
means you. Happy birthday with love, Grandma D.
Oh,
She's
no.
gonna put it back.
No, she's like, no, I think I'll keep this. She's
She
got
got
the money.
already. She couldn't. Did you get new batteries? Good.
Okay, she's
Richard Nixon?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think it's a snack bowl. And they
It's a
reach
what?
in. It's a snack bowl, and they can reach in, but they don't spill.
Ah,
And it's a monster.
Where's that?
very sharp. Seriously, very, very sharp.
I know, I was playing with it earlier.
Yeah. So go on, cut the monster's arm off. That's yours.
It's like Christmas up here. Holy moly, kid.
Put it one scene.
because I got a card.
Just a monsters.
He's cute.
Honey, go tell your dog to shut up.
I'm gonna go down and have a cigarette and I'll just lure her downstairs. There's
I was like,
a
how do you
present
get
that
it?
she has open right over by your foot, hon.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh, here's this, too.
She flung it.
She's
Hurry back, there's
ruining
still
it.
lots left.
That one's also from Richard and Ashley.
Here, you open your eyes.
No.
Oh, yeah. It's a nice chicken. Oh, look at that. That is way cute.
And then there's still a couple more. Here, babe, you don't want to lose the cash.
No.
She's done with the chicken. Look at that.
She wants her present.
She goes, what's it here?
Give her that thing.
Like this.
You got stuff. Are you sure you opened all that stuff? Ooh.
It's fishy.
She likes that.
She does.
Never mind.
That's what you were talking about. That's awesome.
Do we cut off all the fish too?
Yeah, you
No
should.
fish cutting.
Well, they go in here. Like
Yeah, they zip in there.
there's a little pouch down here, and all the fish go in.
Oh, you have to cut them off.
Yeah.
We'll let her play with it a little bit, maybe.
I want to see it, Daddy.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Ooh.
So do they Velcro back in or anything?
No, they're just sewn on right now.
I think we should leave them in there. It looks right, you know.
And there's the box.
Of course, the box is the
The
coolest
box
part.
is the neatest thing, isn't it? Yes.
You can have.
Here, tip it the other way. This way. This way. The zip.
What the heck? That is weird. You gotta like reel me in. Stop being a creep.